Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can reduce lag in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is go down here into the project settings with this gear icon, and here you're going to need to make sure that your resolution and your frame rate are in sync, or that they fit one another. For example, for 1080p 24 frames per second is ideal, so if you enhance that to, I don't know, 60, it might cause a lag. If you reduce it to, I don't know, 15 to 20, it might also reduce lag or induce lag. So if you want to reduce that and minimize the lag, make sure if you're on 1080 that you have 24 frames per second. And I'm not sure about the info on the other resolutions, but it is what it is, so you guys can check that out yourself. The other way is if you're having lag in playback, you can go into playback and go into timeline proxy resolution and put it on a quarter, or half the resolution of the playback. However, if you put it on full, it might cause lag. However, if you half it or quarter it, it might not have any it might fix your lag pretty much, and that won't impact the exported video at all. You can also, if you have a video, you can select it, right click it here in the media pool, and then generate proxy media, or relink proxy media, whatever you want. You can generate the proxy media so that it gets a what do you call it, a better sort of format, which is easier for your computer. You can generate the optimized media as well, and once it generates that, the optimized media is basically the proxy media, which is then a better sort of file which your computer can optimize and run more smoothly. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.